At Blvd Academy, we training the student how to do the real service for client. And guess what? This is the client. Her name?
Hi, I'm Selena.
Selena. She came here around. This the second time, right, Selena? And so far, can you let me know how you feeling?
You guys do a really good job, actually. I was really excited to come back and get my nails redone by the same academy, and I also brought my friend. Her name's Sydney.
All right, so I can see the Sydney right here. Yeah, look. So you excited with your nail?
Very excited.
Got it. Thank you for your guys support us.
Thank you.